Okay, now the installation is complete. The next step is to start the workbook, actually to load it. So there is a plugin in IntelliJ which is called the IntelliJ Academy plugin, which needs also to be added to IntelliJ before we can start the workbooks. So you go here with the plugins and you will find, I will maximize this, you will find the JetBrains Academy plugin and you click on install. And after a while it will be installed and you will be able to run the workbook. Okay, so now that we have this plugin installed, we can go here. This option is called Learn, and there is another option here, Learn to Program. You will have to enable the access, so click on it, Enable Access. Okay, so here are some free online courses which are already available, but if you want to install this, if you want to start this workbook, you have to go here. So these are all free courses. So you go here to My Courses and you choose to open the course from disk. So there is a small explanation here also. This workbook is consists of several parts, so each part is distributed as a zip file. So I have downloaded these zip files. For example, we have two workbook parts, part 1 and part 2. So let's, for example, start part 1. I will go back to IntelliJ and I will choose this option, Open Course from Disk. And now I will go to my downloads folder, which is here, and now you see we have two parts. So let's start with part 1 and let's say OK. So once the course starts, you have course details printed here, so you can see all the things about the course, who is the what is the idea, what's the description, and so on. So, and you want to just start the course, you click on the start button, the course is getting loaded, and you say yes, trust project. Okay. And the first time you start JetBrains Academy plugin, you're requested to review this user agreement, so you need to check this in order to use it. And if you want to include artificial intelligence also, you may also check this one, but I will check only the first one and then click on the agree button. And after a few seconds the course should load. Okay, the course has now loaded. So this is the main screen actually, and I will explain in the next video how to what are the parts of this screen and what can you do here, what types of tasks exist, and so on and so on.